you should floss daily. Time and time again, we hear the common phrase, make sure to floss and brush your teeth twice a day. Most of us hear this phrase when we visit the dentist for our 6-month check-in. However, as most dentists have realized, we have no idea if they really go back home and actually floss and brush their teeth twice a day. We have to face it. Flossing is something that people often neglect in their daily routine. It's easy to get caught up in thinking, I know what I need to do, and how to do it when it comes to your oral health. However, flossing is one of those things that we all think we should do, but sometimes don't because it's not convenient or easy during our busy lives. The truth is, if you want a healthy mouth, you have to take the time out of your day for yourself and invest in your overall health. So here are 3 reasons why you should floss daily. Flossing is an easy way to keep your teeth clean. Flossing is an easy way to keep your teeth clean by removing plaque and bacteria from between your teeth, where a toothbrush can't reach. Your dentist will recommend that you floss daily, but it's also important that you floss regularly. Regular flossing helps prevent gum disease because it removes plaque, which causes inflammation of the gums. Combined with the regular use of toothpaste and fluoride rinses, flossing helps prevent tooth decay by killing bacteria that cause decay before they form tartar on your teeth. Flossing helps to keep your gums healthy. You can keep your gums healthy and prevent disease by flossing daily. Flossing does about 40% of the work required to remove sticky bacteria and plaque from your teeth. Plaque is the sticky substance that forms on your teeth. It generates acid, which can cause cavities, and irritate the gums when food particles are trapped in between your teeth. This then leads to gum disease, which is a leading cause of tooth loss. Gums that are inflamed because of plaque buildup become tender or painful, sometimes causing them to bleed during brushing and flossing. However, many people don't floss because their gums bleed, but not flossing because of bleeding is the opposite of what you should be doing. With daily brushing and flossing, bleeding gums typically go away in a few weeks. If they don't, you need to see your local Denver dentist so they can check if you're flossing correctly and determine if you might have gum disease. Flossing takes less than a minute. Now you might be thinking, but what if I only have to floss once a week? The answer is that if you do this, it will take much longer than a minute to floss. The average person can spend up to 5 minutes cleaning their teeth with an electric toothbrush and mouthwash, or 2 minutes with a manual toothbrush. That doesn't include other important steps like brushing your tongue or using floss. If you're going for the bare minimum dental hygiene routine, chances are that it's going to take considerably longer than 1 minute. But here's the thing. Even if your routine takes twice as long than usual because of all that gunk on them, which is bound to happen, most people will agree that spending 30 seconds taking care of yourself each day isn't too much effort for those results. Flossing is an important part of good oral hygiene and can be a quick process if done daily. How to floss. In addition to how quick and easy it is to floss, there are different types of flosses. Standard dental floss generally comes in 2 varieties, waxed and unwaxed. Choosing between the 2 often comes down to your personal preference. Other types include superfloss, which are most beneficial to those with orthodontic braces, bridges, and wide gaps between teeth. Floss picks, which are convenient for traveling or flossing on the go. Air flossers, which use air pressure to push out the debris between your teeth. Water flosser, which use water pressure to flush out the debris between the teeth. Improve your oral hygiene regimen. Flossing is an easy way to keep your teeth and gums healthy. It only takes a few minutes each day and can help prevent tooth decay, bad breath, gum disease, and even heart disease. Don't waste any more time avoiding it. Start flossing today.